Hello, welcome back students. Good morning to all of you. I'm Rohit Nirmal, your computer teacher. So, in this video series, today I'm going to discuss about the security solutions. So, in yesterday's video, I discussed about the network security and threats related to network security. So, today we will discuss about the security solutions means which security measures we need to follow to prevent us from the online threats. So in previous videos we discussed these topics which you can see on your screen, and today we will discuss about the security solutions, authentication and authorization protocols, what is antivirus and what is anti-spyware, what is firewall and what is virtual private networks, or in short VPN. So authentication and authorization protocols. So protocols means that rules which we follow in our computer networking field. So authentication protocols or rules ensure that only authorized users get access to the network data. So it is a mechanism used to determine the user and client privilege to access the related websites or apps. So whenever you will use any website, you need to enter your username and password. So that is the form, or that is the part of the authentication. So you can easily understand that what is the authentication protocols. So whenever you need to log in into any website, so you need to enter the correct username and password. After that you can access that website, otherwise not. So that is the mechanism of the authentication. It is a part of the authentication. Whereas authorization is a security mechanism in which we determine that who can access our computer programs or files or services or data and applications. So in the process or in the mechanism of the authorization, we need or we configured the uh, access level to the users, who will access the program and who will not. So it is a part of the authorization. Now, what is the antivirus and what is anti-spyware? I think all of you already know about the antivirus and anti-spyware. So let's discuss that what is antivirus and anti-spyware. So these all are the software which are specially designed for to detect and prevent or remove malware from your system and make it safe and run smoothly without any unauthorized or any suspicious program halt your system functioning. So antivirus is a program which help you to prevent and detect and remove malware, and also remove the viruses from your system. So virus is nothing but the software designed to disrupt your computers. And what is the anti-spyware? So anti-spyware is also a software which is designed to find the hidden suspicious program in your system. Now come to the firewall. So it is also a software. In this, it monitors all the network traffic. Whenever you are connected to the internet, it will monitor every data, every network traffic, and in this it restricts the access of unauthorized users or programs. So many operating systems and anti-spyware software already have their firewall, and it prevents the entry of any program that is restricted by the user. So it monitors and controls the incoming and outgoing network traffic based on the predetermined security rules. So it especially establishes a barrier between a trusted network and untrusted networks. Now the next topic is virtual private network or VPN. So VPN is a mechanism, is a technique in which we can create a system by which we can communicate and send the data confidentially or in the encrypted form. So VPN stands for the virtual private network. It allows you to connect your computer to a private network, and every data will be transmitted in the form of encrypted connection. So it will make secure your system, and you can also carried out the confidential communication using the VPN. So these all are the security solutions or security measures which we all are using to prevent from the network threats. So in this video, this is the last topic, and your homework is complete all the exercises in your notebook. That's it. Thank you. Stay safe and stay happy.